Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about built-in string methods in details. Let's start. First, the capitalize method. This method capitalizes first letter of the string, like this. So get a pen here. If you look here, this is x equal to Kariman. If I said x dot capitalize, this will make the k letter capital. Let's try this on our shell. X equal to Mahmoud. If I type x dot we can see here Mahmoud, the M is capital. Okay. The lower method converts all uppercase letters in a string to lowercase. This will convert. If we look here, x equal to Mahmoud, all in capital letters. If I type x dot lower, this will convert all these letters to Mahmoud in small. Let's try this in our shell. If I type here y equal to Amal, all in capital letters. If I type x dot lower, y dot lower, this will give us all in small letters. Okay. Upper. The upper method will convert the lower case letters in a string to uppercase. Let's look here. X equal to Mahmoud. If I type x dot upper, this will convert all letters to capital. Let's try this. Here, if I print x, it's Mahmoud, all in small letters. If I type x dot upper, we can see here Mahmoud, all in capital letters. Okay. Is space. This method returns true if a string contains only one space character and false otherwise. Okay. If you look here, if I type x equal to, and this is a space, and if I check this x is space, this will give us true because this is a space here. But if I type y equal to Ahmed, then I check it is a space or not. Y dot is space, this will give us false because this is a string here, not a space. Try this. X equal to Mahmoud. If I type x dot is space, I'll get false because this is a string. Remember, any method starts with is will give us a boolean value, true or false. Okay, this is false here. If I type c equal to an image string, then I type c dot is space, I'll get true because this is a space here. Okay. Is lower. This method returns true if a string has at least one case character and all the case characters and lower case, and false otherwise. This will return true of all letters in lowercase. If we look here, y equal to Ahmed, if I type y dot is lower, this will give us true because all letters in small letters. If I type x equal to Kariman, some in capital, some in small letters, this will give us false because it must be all in small letters. Like what? If I type x, it's all in small letters. If I type x dot is lower, this will give us true because all in lower letters. Okay. Is our return true if string has at least one cased character and all the cased characters are in uppercase and false otherwise. If we look here, x equal to Kariman, If I type x dot is upper, will give us true because all letters is upper, it's capital. If I type y equal to Mahmoud, then I type y dot is upper, this will give us false because all letters here is small letters. And if I type z equal to Ali, the a letter is capital and the rest of the word is small, and if I check it is upper, this will give us false because it must be all upper. Okay. Center. The center takes two arguments from us, width and the filled character. This method returns a space padded string with the original string centered to a total width column. Let's look this. If I type this is a string here, this is example, this is our string S, and I wanna center this string here using center method. I'll type s.center, then I'll give it the width of the new string here 40, then I'll give it the fill character. This character here will fill the missed spaces here, as we can see here, 0 0 0 0 and so on. This will put this string here, this is example, in the center of a string contains from those number of values, and the missed values will be represented by this fill character. Okay. Count. This method count how many times this string occur in a string or in a substring of a string. Like what? Here, if we look s equal to welcome in Python, if I type print s.count I, this will count, whereas how many times is I repeated? It is only 1. If I type print s.count I and 8, this will search from the 0 index to the 8 index to find how many times the I repeated. Okay? Ends with this method determine if a string or a substring of a string ends with a suffix. Like what? If we look here, this string here will come in Python. If I type s ends with HON, this will check if this string ends with this 3 letters HON, yes, then it prints true. If I type BON, no, this 3 letters, not this 3 letters, then we will get false. Let's try this. I'll type x equal to Mahmoud. I'll type x dot end this with, then I give it UD. We will get true because Mahmoud ends with UD. Okay. Let's change this to OD. We will get false because Mahmoud does not end this with OD. Okay. Find. This method determine if a string occur in a string or substring. It's like index. For look here, s will come in Python. If I type s.find the n here, it will tell us the index of our letter here, n. And if I type s.find I, this will tell us where we can find I. This is the index of I. Let's try this. X dot find, sorry, O, it is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Index like find will tell us where we can find our letter or our string. If I type s.index of I, this will tell us the index of I and so on n or any letter. Is title return true if this string is a title cased? Title cased means every letter of every word is capital. If we look here, welcome, the W letter is capital, Mido, the M letter is capital. If we print f.is title, we will get true because this word is title, welcome Mido. Here, if we check welcome in Python is title, we will get false because the W letter, I letter, P letter not in capital. Okay. Replace. This method replace some string or substring with another substring. If we look at this example, welcome in Python, if I type s.replace in with, this will remove in and put with instead of it. Then we will see welcome with Python. Let's try this. If I type s equal to welcome in, if I type s dot replace in with, we will see welcome with. This is the replace method. Okay. The split will split a string according to some subset here. If we look here, s equal to welcome in Python, we will split this string using the space here, because this string contains spaces here. We can split a string using spaces, using characters, or any character or anything we want. If I type here welcome in Python s, then I type s dot split and I give it a space here, we can see welcome in Python. It splits this string using this spaces here. Okay. In the next video, we will talking about Python list in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.